Chicken tikka rice recipe. Let's make ½ kilogram chicken, 1 tsp tandoori masala, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp paprika powder, 1 tsp chili powder, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp black pepper, 2 tsp lemon juice, 2 tsp yogurt, 1 tsp ginger paste, 1 tsp garlic paste, pinch of food color. Mix it well. Cover for 30 minutes. 2 cup rice. Soak rice. 2 tsp oil. Add marinated chicken. Cover for 10 minutes until all the mixture dries. It's done. 2 tsp oil. 1 medium onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1 tsp chopped garlic. Add 1 capsicum. Add tomato paste. Add marinated mixture. One tsp chili flakes, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp cumin powder. Add some water. Cover for 5 minutes. Add soaked rice. Mix well. Add 3 cups of boiled water. One tsp salt. Add 1 chicken cube. Cover until water dries. Add chicken tikka. Garnishing with fresh coriander, green chili, cover for 10 minutes. It's done. So yummy and tasty. Served with love. Must try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comments.